Hey everybody, welcome back. What are we changing out today? This little doodad right here, PCV valve. This is for my Toyota Matrix. It's the, we're laughing already, the 1ZZ-FE engine. That is a V11 part number. Change out your PCV valve. You can get this at any of your local automotive stores. What do you got to do? Real simple. Number one, go get your piece right there. There we go, right? I got a couple of weird lights happening here. You need a 10 millimeter because you got to undo these two nuts. You got to get underneath this engine cover. 10 mil. 10 mil. Don't want to lose them. 10 mil down. Pop your cover off. Off to the side it goes. PCV valve is right there. This hose right there. So what do we need? Little clamp thing here. You know what? I'm going to just try to twist. That's a nice car. I'm going to twist this thing off. Just did an oil change on this. I'm going to just see if I can pop this line off by hand. I might be able to. Oh, there it is. That was really easy, wasn't it? Look at that. Okay. We'll show you the PCV valve. Right there. That is a 15/16. Now you can use a wrench or you can use a socket. I got both. Let's see if I can position the camera a little bit better here. Hopefully there, hopefully. I'm just gonna grab my 15/16 socket, wrench, my ratchet. Okay, you know what? That's interesting. Because that is not a 15/16. This one here is. Hang on. PCV valve, my new one. My 15/16. Oh ho hey ho ho ho. Oh, that is wrong. Whoa, hold the phone here, people. Hang on. Okay, everybody, I totally stand corrected here. This is the correct one. That is a 7/8. Let's just try this here. Hang on. Let's just see where my camera is at. 7/8. 7/8. Fits perfectly in there. Hopefully with the shadows and everything. 7/8. Wow. I said 15/16. That's wrong, ladies and gentlemen. I apologize. Let's give this another try. 15/16. Oh, there we go. And I bet you my head is in the shadow, creating a shadow, my big head. Now I just did an oil change on this thing. I had it on the highway. It is nice and warm. The heat coming off the engine is crazy. Ooh. Let's see if we can get a better shot of this. I'm going to grab my other light here. That's hot. There we go. Look at the gunge on that. You see that? Let's put my light back down here. Grab my new one. Match it up. Take a look. Kind of looks to be fine. There we go. Let's just take a look in that port right there. Now I did do a valve cover gasket and it was really clean inside, so that little bit right there that you can see, kind of surprised by that. I'm going to wipe it out with a rag real quick though. After I pop my camera back down here real quickly. Takes me longer to shoot a video than to actually do the repair. Stay. There we go. Rag. There is no thread locker on here or anything like that, or seal there. There you go, got a little bit of dirt out. And you always want to start these by hand. You know, because if you use something, a wrench or a ratchet, you risk cross-threading them. So as you can see, I'm just doing them by hand right now. It's not really bad. Tighten it up. That is done. New PCV valve in. And this clamp right here surely isn't doing a lot, is it? But I don't have anything weird like that. There goes my light. Yeah, that's kind of weird, eh? That one's worn out, but I don't have any new ones though. I'm gonna have to pick one up at the automotive store. There we go. New PCV valve, very important, positive crankcase ventilation valve. You want to get these changed out every, I don't know, what do they recommend, 25,000 kilometers, something like that. So get that changed out again. There's the part number. Got that? It's kind of weird. V411. That's a standard one. That's what I'm putting in. So there we go. Questions, comments, leave them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And I got something else to show you really interesting. So we're going to show you here on the vehicle. Okay, you already know this, right? You've already seen this on the car, right? The back window, both back windows. This window, Calgary Flames Car Wash Place. There we go. You want to see something else? I just got them. What do you think of that? Stumper 1. My YouTube channel, on my plate, and on my car. I've had a lot of comments, people driving past, you know, honking the horn, sitting at a red light saying, hey, what does it mean? And then they tell them, you know, obviously it's for the channel. So they kind of laugh. I said, go on, check it out, have some fun. I've been doing this since '09. It's fun stuff, people. It's fun stuff. So, oh, don't forget to put the engine cover back on. That's it. Questions, comments? There's your engine code right there, 1ZZ-FE. Make sure, because some of them are 2ZZ-FEs, right? That's the more higher performance engine and whatever. And there we go. Let's switch in a little vacuum hose and some specs. Other than that, this is the same as a Toyota Corolla. And this is also the same as a Toyota RAV4. Pretty damn close anyway. Oil change is done. We'll put the cover back on. 100%. Cheers.